Welcome to Backing Tracks Pro first tutorial. Come on, let's go, and we'll have a quick look at the user interface. Backing Tracks Pro works with style files. Here at the first button you can change the source of your style files. There are already a lot of it. With the next button you can export your song. Okay, there is no song yet. With the cloud button you can download your styles or preview them. Let's have a look and preview. There are guitars. I choose this one. Stop and download. When you download, the window is closed. Now it takes a few seconds up to a minute or two, what depends on the style itself. So here we go, the style is ready, downloaded now. So if you download a style once, you will find the style in your style downloader with a green background. Okay, let's have a look here. Here it is. Okay, a green background. So you already download the style, it's ready for use on your computer now. So we go to the style manager, that's the style manager, and you find the style here in the list, and when you click the style it will disappear in the style manager and appear in the style picker. So you have to do here is no style in the timeline, so click on the style and the styles appears in the timeline, and now it's the first time you can hear a song. So where do the chords come from? In the upper right corner there is a quick guide for the first steps with Backing Tracks Pro. And this is a text editor. In the text editor you can write your song text with chords, and Backing Tracks Pro detects the chords automatically. And that is what happened here. Okay, let's select text or select all text, delete it, and write a few chords and see what happened. You see in the timeline there are no chords anymore. Let's type 12 bar blues. Okay, my blues, just give it a name. The chords are automatically detected and they appear in the timeline as you write them down in the text field. And what you see is another thing, that the chords are automatically optimized. What means that where you see that equal sign in the timeline, that means that where an equal sign is, the band or the instrumentalist plays a variation of the chord. Let's hear if it works. Well, as you saw at the very first beginning, it is possible to export your song. You export the songs as an M4A format. You can use the M4A format in GarageBand or Logic or any other digital audio workstation. Press the export button. Then you can change the song's name, choose a folder, and then save. It takes a few seconds until your song is exported. Well, that works. There are a few more buttons in the upper right corner. That's all about file managing. Well, with this button you save your project in the Backing Tracks Pro folder. With this button you start the file manager and you will see all the project you already have stored. With the next button you make a copy of your song and rename it.